Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to test. And in order to test, we need to do a few things. The first step is that you need to make sure that your Apache web server as well as the MySQL both are up and running. So make sure that they are both up and running. The second step is that you need to open the terminal. If you are using Mac, you need to open the terminal. If you are using Windows, you need to open the command prompt. Whether you open the command prompt or terminal that comes with the operating system, you can use the one that comes with the operating system, or you can open the one that comes with your text editor or IDE. So you can here click on View and then Terminal, and then this is going to open another terminal here. So it's the same. You can use this terminal, or you can use this one. Both will work. But if you are using this terminal, you need to change directory to your folder. So this folder, make sure that you are pointing to this folder. So if you are using the terminal here, you need first to cd to your desktop, and then cd to the name of the project. So if your project name is named Chatbot, you need to say Chatbot, and then you can continue. Similarly, if you are using Windows, you need to open the command prompt. And you can follow along. It's the same. There is nothing different. There is no difference between Windows and Mac. They are the same in terms of the commands that I'm going to type here. Now you need to type PHP and then minus capital S and then local host and then colon 8000 and then hit enter. This is going to run a local server. As you can see, this is the local server. It says here started. Now you need to copy this, and then you need to open up the browser, and now we are no longer gonna use the static HTML, and instead we need to paste this URL, and of course you need to remove the brackets here, HTTP and then localhost 8000, and then hit enter. And as you can see, this is gonna start the application, and here it's gonna say error because here I said, remember in my application I said here in the code I said here error. We need to uncomment this because we don't want to display this error all the time. This is just for testing, so you need to comment this out. Now let me refresh and test. So I'm gonna now refresh one more time, and then I'm gonna say here, remember the messages that we have. I have two messages. I have hi and what's your name. So let me say hi. If I say hi and click on send, as you can see, I'm gonna get hello because the response for hi is hello. Let me say what's your name. So I'm gonna say here, what's your name, and then question mark, and then I'm gonna hit it, and then I'm gonna click on send message, and as you can see, I'm gonna get I am your assistant. So it's working. However, if I type a message that doesn't exist in the database, for example, who are you? And then if I click on send, as you can see, what I'm going to get is that I'm going to get what. So what will be returned here from this message? What from this array? Because what will be returned in case the execution was not successful, in case we couldn't find a response. So now our chatbot is in a great is great and is responding to the user with the messages that we wanted it to respond with, which is amazing.